This is the Hershey's World, especially in USA.
पूरे वर्ल्ड में यहाँ से चॉकलेट जाती है, यहाँ बनती है कैसे, हेड ऑफिस यहाँ है, बिलियंस ऑफ मनी लगा हुआ है, यहाँ से चॉकलेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होती है ऑल ओवर अमेरिका, ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड।
Welcome to Hershey's. Hello everybody, we are at Hershey's World. Hershey's World and we are going to enter now. Who's with? So cool. Let's go inside. Welcome to the Hershey's World. We are all came together. Who's here? Wow, oh my God, Sammy, here are you? Hershey's World. Okay, this is the Hershey's World. Chocolate World. We are here at Chocolate World finally. The best, the main place in Pennsylvania for chocolates. Here you go. So we are going to enter. Let's see which Hershey's World. Main Hershey's place in Pennsylvania, USA. So you can see this is the Hershey's World, where they provide the Hershey's chocolate to whole world. So we are at Hershey's. So welcome to our channel. So you can see here different kind of chocolates, because this is Chocolate World. We are here and you can see different kind of chocolates from Hershey's. So this is basically the store for Hershey's chocolate. So you can buy different kind of chocolates from here. So they are all like here for buying, like different kind of chocolates from Hershey's. So we just entering here from this souvenir area. Actually, you can see the Reese's, this kind of we're gonna enter in this Chocolate World now, right? So let's see how can we start our journey. Oh wow, where are you going? Oh my God, so beautiful. Hello. So colorful. Ravi, how's that? Liking it? To be here. This is a Hershey's World right now. Wow. Yeah, Hershey's World. So,
लाइन लगी है,
yeah, line lagi hai?
That's okay.
It's big line, but it's okay.
ये ट्रॉली अंदर से छोटा सा।
Samvi, we are waiting in line, right?
Yeah.
Waiting in line for which one?
For our ride.
Right? Samvi, Vishal.
What?
So they can see this is big line all over. देखो आंटी जी, we are going to enter chocolate cocoa farm. This is all big bags. Yeah, I think so. This is the same things we gotta do. You can see grown, goodness grown. Now we're going to enter in car. So it takes 4 people in car. So let me show you. You can see. You can see. Yeah. Because this car gives you the tour of this Hershey's chocolate world.
How many?
Oh my God, it's moving. Moving floor. I'm like, where are going to enter in their car?
All people that work with phone number
Wow.
computer.
So we got this set. Sammy!
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet.
Yes, Sammy!
inside the
Misha,
vehicle all
you
time.
excited?
We're on our way
The
to
chocolate tour started.
Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Hey! Look, you can see. Oh my God, you can see the cow. Hershey's cow. Move, move. Oh my God. They're singing.
Oh, good to make it. Good to
Misha, how's that? Good? Savi, how do you like it? Savi, how's that? Oh my God.
Go, look at me, check out.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, please keep your arms inside the car
It
at
all
all
starts
times
with
for your own
cocoa beans,
safety.
which are
Please
harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world.
No,
We
this-
send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly
You can see
remove
this is manufacturing, you can see.
and bits of cacao.
Cocoa bean cleaner. And after that, bean blending. We're gonna enter now.
And combine beans from
Oh
various
my
countries
God.
in precise amounts to achieve that
You can see
consistent Hershey's flavor.
1 lakh LB from 7,005 and like this is the blending area. And after that, after when blending, what comes? It's the roasting. Roasting. So roasting is. Isha, you excited? You liking it? The chocolate tour?
Oh, it's hot.
It's hot here because it's the blending or the roasting. Roasting is hot, right?
It's roasting
Roasting
us.
is hot. It's roasting us. So you can see this is all roasting. You can see this is,
Everyone, below the milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened.
and after that, milling.
Milling.
Oh, it's cold now. It's getting cold. This is actually the kind of like a machine inside. Like we are and going through the process where like
at that,
how the chocolate
chocolate.
prepares. Okay, so you can see there.
Hi, Hershey. Ooh, look, it looks delicious.
So you can see this is chocolate.
Pressing.
This is our chocolate preparing over there, milling. And after that, it was pressing area over here. And after that, milk and sugar added here. And this is the sugar area, ventilation. Like, oh my God, this shows all the process.
Part of my job is to make sure all comes together.
Yay! Photo ले लेना सबकी.
Begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs.
And after that, blending. Again, central blending. You can see. This is and it smells. How smells like?
Smells good.
It smells good here. It smells like chocolate over here. Already. You can see this is chocolate is blending over here. Is that a real chocolate or a fake? Guess it. And after that, drying.
Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed down earlier.
Smells good.
Smell good. Yes, right. Chocolatey smell over here. You get chocolatey smell.
Of course, that wonderful.
And after that, refining. After that, refining over here. You can see how the refining process goes
Steel
here.
rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a
And this is,
consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next
my
step.
God, so beautiful process goes through. So this is the actual process of how the Hershey's chocolate goes with the preparation. Really? Oh, wow. Conhing. Maybe I'm pronouncing wrong. But what is that? Conching. And you can see
Oh, it's like mixing it.
it's kind of mixing.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride.
Wow.
Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate.
Molding is the process of it.
These conching machines use
So here comes the molding.
Finally molding.
Molding is like the giving the shapes. So you will see the shapes.
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Oh, really? Ready to be packaged.
Oh, look at this. Chocolates.
Oh, you can see this is the packaging process. How it
Everyone
goes.
has a favorite.
in the
Mine are
molds.
Hershey's Kisses chocolates.
And after that, the packaging. Oh, you can see the Reese's.
Reese's.
Oh my God.
Look over there. Look over there.
Is that real chocolate? Oh my God. Then this is the Hershey's other chocolates. Oh my God. Hershey's. We are at Hershey's. And this is the Hershey's syrup. You can see syrup. Hershey's syrups. And Hershey's Kisses. Everywhere you can see chocolate processing over here. You can like mini bites, kisses, and so many. And this is Hershey's Kisses pieces. You like it? Misha, you liking it?
It looks like our packages are ready to go.
And this is packages are done and ready to go for selling in the stores.
Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness.
My God, you can see the biggest big bar in there
Thank you, everyone.
for Kisses processing.
Look over
Wow.
there. Big kisses.
Wow, I love the big kisses. This is an actual factory of the Hershey's, you can see. And shipping after that at the end. This is the last point of the process. All and up and smile for your pictures. You have to smile for your picture, okay? And after that, we did this photographs over here. And after that, we entered in such a beautiful, shining place. Oh my God. Such a shiny tunnel we were in. And now, this is the chocolate world. We are in such a beautiful view, and everything is so colorful and shiny and so beautiful. Right? You like the tour, Sanvi?
Yeah.
You like? And after that,
enjoy
this
the
is
rest of your day here at Hershey's
chocolate
Chocolate
world
World.
ends over
So long,
here.
everyone. Thanks for coming.
And after that, we'll leave. Right? You can see this is like we are going to exit here. Thank you. So we are going to exit. Thank you. Okay. बहुत मूविंग हो रहा है पीछे देख के बैठ चलना come on Sanvi watch out watch your steps so we're going back now how was the tour
Very awesome.
awesome Sanvi, you liked it, right? We enjoyed this tour and now we're gonna collect our picture. Let's see how was that. Where is our picture? 96 is the picture. This is our, so our tour is done. We took our picture. What was that?
Absolutely. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
So after we got our chocolate, we're gonna enter now in the chocolate world again, which is the shopping area of this Hershey's. So you can buy different kind of chocolates here to purchase yourself and enjoy the Hershey's moment after that. So this is all food counter section, food section area. So we are taking a round of the chocolate food court. So everything chocolatey here. So we are searching for our food. Let's see what we can get. So you can see everybody is enjoying their chocolatey flavored food and enjoying their holiday moments together. So let's go forward. So this is the Hershey's milkshake. So many things over here. What do you got? So we are ordering something from here. What do you order, Sanvi?
Chicken only mac and cheese was like really, but beef.
Oh, something beef. So, Mish, you got slushy? What you ordered?
अभी आ रहा है पिज़्ज़ा आ रहा है
Pizza is coming up. Wow, what you got in here? This is chicken breast. You got it? Misha is drinking slushy.
Slushy.
Yes?
I can put tea in mine.
Really? Love it. Sanvi, how's the pizza? Good? So everybody is settling down here after ride and we got something to eat. Let's see.
चिकन
No. So
you need to eat pizza then. Give one pizza. मीशा को दोगे pizza?
तो आपने अलग से लिया ये?
हाँ अलग से करें। केचप देना यार ये बड़ा सूखा सा लग रहा है।
So this is pizza
Mayo.
and this is for $15. I like very small pizza here. And what you are eating here?
Chicken shredded breast.
So this is how much? Like this like small bowl? $5.
Taste is not good. I'm just managing with sauce.
So we have ketchups. If you want ketchups, we can get. Huh?
Did you get it or not?
Yeah. So we are at chocolate store now. The Reese's. So this is we are buying some chocolates from here.
You want this one too?
Okay.
Huh?
Dad, look at this.
Okay.
Dad,
How's that?
flavors in rice.
We're liking this one. Nisha, what do you got? Oh my God, Hershey's toy. Can you show me? So we are going check-in line. Misha, you got your stuff? No, not this one. So we're going in line. तो यहाँ पे कुछ स्पेशल प्लेसेस बना रखे हैं इन लोगों ने ताकि लोग आके पिक्चर्स ले सके प्यारे प्यारे से लोग अपने फैमिली के साथ यहाँ एंजॉय करने आते हैं तो बहुत ही बड़ा ये हर्शेस वर्ल्ड है जो कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में ये अपनी हर्शेस चॉकलेट को प्रोवाइड कराता है तो यहाँ पे देखो ये हर्शेस वर्ल्ड के चॉकलेट के लिए लोग पिक्चर्स दिखा रहे हैं यहाँ पिक्चर पोजीशंस दे रखे हैं यहाँ पे तो लोग यहाँ पे फ़ोटो ले रहे हैं तो कुछ ले लिया आपका चॉकलेट्स आ गए यहाँ हर्शेस वर्ल्ड में आके चॉकलेट नहीं लिया तो क्या लिया फिर so many chocolates. Let's see how it's gonna be and we'll take some picture. और यहाँ पे क्या आता है हम यहाँ पे क्यों आए स्पेशल प्लेस क्यों आए देखने के लिए
क्योंकि यहाँ चॉकलेट बनती है ये सेंटर है बेसिकली हेड ऑफिस है चॉकलेट के लिए यहाँ से सारे वर्ल्ड में चॉकलेट ट्रांसफ़र होती है पूरे वर्ल्ड में यहाँ से चॉकलेट जाती है यहाँ बनती है कैसे हेड ऑफिस यहाँ है बिलियंस ऑफ मनी लगा हुआ है यहाँ से चॉकलेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होती है ऑल ओवर अमेरिका ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड और भी सेंटर होंगे लेकिन ये वन ऑफ द मेन हेड सेंटर है वर्ल्ड में अमेरिका का और ये हर्शेस अमेरिकन ब्रांड है
हाँ तो ये अमेरिकन ब्रांड है तो ये वर्ल्ड में यहाँ के चॉकलेट जाती हैं और यहाँ पेंसिल्वेनिया में जो यहाँ हर्शेस नहीं आया तो मतलब क्या आया तो ये स्पेशल प्लेस है यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने कौन सी टूर किया है जो फ्री कॉफी ऑफ कॉस्ट टूर है,
chocolate tour.
चॉकलेट वर्ल्ड का टूर किया है और बहुत फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है. एनीबडी कैन कम ओवर हियर विद योर फैमिली एंड एंजॉय दिस फ्री tour of this Hershey's, and this is 3-hour tour. You can go free, and after that you have to pay $60 if you are coming with your vehicle and all. So let's go take a picture. So we are going to exit now from here. It's really chilly outside. We are getting our trolley. So our Hershey's World trip now it's over. Right? Misha, you like the tour? It's over. So this was our stroller parking over here, and now we'll leave from there. So fun place, so beautiful, colorful. We entered from there, and after that we are getting exit here. But so fun, beautiful place of this Hershey's. So let's go now. Our tour is done, and we'll leave after, like we are leaving actually, and let me show you the such a beautiful view over here, Hershey's. So this is the actual Hershey's. लग गई फोटो के चक्कर में सबने अपनी जैकेट्स निकाली. अब चलते हैं कि हमने काफी अच्छा एंजॉय किया. दिस इज द Hershey's World, especially in USA. This is the main office of Hershey's over here.
Visit with the Hershey Park app for ride wait times and availability, a GPS map, shows and dining information, and more. It's free and available for Apple and Android devices.
So we are moving here. This is actually the Hershey's Chocolate Park.
All major credit
So
cards,
this is actually
Hershey
for
Park Gift Pay,
summers.
Apple Pay, Google
You
Pay,
can
and
come over here for rides, and after that, that's the chocolate tour. You can go inside, take a chocolate tour of the Hershey's chocolate. Inside, this is Chocolate World, and this side is the Hershey's Park. You can go for the rides and like fun in summer, basically. So we are moving around such a beautiful area of Hershey's, largest chocolate provider in USA. What are you doing? Oh my God!
She's the only one that actually cool.
How's that? Okay, let's go. So she's taking height. Okay, let's go. What is your height? Oh, till Hershey's. You got a height till Hershey's. Yes. Chalo, let's go. And you can see this is the trolley. It's coming from there. This is the biggest trolley ride over here. So if you want to take a trolley ride, you have to buy tickets to take a tour of the Hershey's World. So after this, all here after visiting all the things here, we are going back actually for home now. It's really chilly here. So so our tour is done after that, right?
It's freezing. It's almost minus 10 degree temperature
In centigrades.
in centigrade. Yeah, Fahrenheit is 35.
Huh, huh. So we are leaving after that, and we can see such a beautiful trolley ride next to us, and where we are going back home. Huh? And
या पहले हमारे लिए घर जा रहे हैं.
ठंड लग रही है, बस घर भाग रहे हैं अब
We are
बस.
going home.
Almost, what is the time right now? It's almost 4:30 around, and it's getting dark already here. And let's go home after that. It was fun. You liked it? You enjoyed over here?
Yeah,
Sanvi?
too much fun.
You enjoyed? Sanvi, come on. You enjoyed over here? She took my jacket because she was feeling cold. So,
My face feels like a hole.
chalte hain, let's go home.
Why are we going this way?
See you then with the new vlog.
Yeah.
This was our Harshes trip. So anybody like, who is looking for some place to visit which is for free, so you can come over here in Pennsylvania, the Harshes Chocolate World. So
And there's
see you
also-
again with the new vlog, right?
And there's also a Hershey Park.
Huh.
That means
So-
a roller coaster.
So we are signing off here. Bye bye.
Bye. Subscribe to Indus Vlogs.
Yay!